7th standard English. So now we are going to see the assignment book. So we are going to continue with the last class. So page number 13 we can continue. So this is the exercise part. Write the synonyms of. First one is pleased. Answer is satisfied. SATISFIED, satisfied. And second one excitement, thrill, THRILL, thrill. Third one pile, heap, HEAP, heap. Fourth one stupid, foolish, FOOLISH, foolish. Fifth one is flung, FLUNG, flung. Through, THREW, through. Sixth is crazy, strange, STRANGE, strange. And next Roman letter, write the antonyms of. First one is noticed, ignored, IGNORED, ignored. Second one injured and healed, HEALED, healed. Third one is such, many, MANY, many. Fourth one is precious and worthless, WORTHLESS, worthless. Fifth one is deep, 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 and shallow, SHALLOW, shallow. Carry, CARRY, carry. Drop, DROP, drop. And match the following. So first one, tongs. The correct answer is option G, a tool to hold hot things. Second one, injured. Option D is the correct answer, to get hurt. Contrary, option H, opposite in nature. Fourth one is tambourine. Option F is the correct answer, a small drum to create music. Wretched, a very sad condition. Fair. Sixth one, and C is the correct answer, an exhibition held periodically. Seventh one is hardware. Option E is the correct answer, metals as tools and hingers. Seventh one is hardware, and E is the correct answer, metals as tools and hinges. Eighth one, selflessness. Option B, having little or no concern about oneself. The next one, make meaningful sentences. So some word is given, you have to make the sentence with a meaningful sentence we have to make. Jewelry, the boys were not interested in jewelry shop. Flung, Hamid flung the tongs on the ground. Fair, all those who had gone to the fair were back at home. Fourth one is crazy, are you crazy? Precious, the fair of tongs was as precious as sacks of silver. And the next one, fourth Roman letter, this is page number 14, you can see. Hamid's friends were not interested in hardware and jewelry stores. He bought a tong for 3 paisas. Hamid carried it on his shoulders like a gun. Granny was moved by Hamid's voice. To Granny, the tongs were as precious. Choose the correct answer. So here you can tick or you can write the options also. Granny Amina cooked chapatis over a iron pan. Option B. The shopkeeper gave Hamid a dash for 3 paisas. Here the options have not given. The correct answer is tongs. So we can write here and you can tick the correct answer. Third one, tambourine is a dash instrument. It is a musical instrument. Granny was annoyed that Hamid had eaten nothing because he didn't eat anything. The tongs gained the popularity of a dash when Hamid carried it on his shoulders. Tiger. True or false? Village children wanted to retain their village as the fair was too crowded. False. Eidgah hardly had any worshippers. It was very empty. False. Men embraced each other after the prayer were finished. True. Mohammad, Mosem, Noori and Hamid mounted on the camels and horses on the merry-go-round. True. Hamid enjoyed the ride on the merry-go-round. False. There were rows of stalls with toys near the merry-go-round. True. Hamid did not want to waste the money on the toys and sweets. True. His friends did not want to enjoy the sweets without Hamid. False. Next, page number 15, you can see here. This is also another exercise. So it is starting as a Roman letter 1. Eid is a Muslim festival. Cholera is a waterborne disease that causes vomiting and cramps. Vendors are people who sell goods or things. Worshippers are people who are praying God. Smash is to broken into pieces. Tongs is a hardware metal used to take chapatis. Fair is a place of an exhibition and sale of articles. Eidgah is a festival. And write the synonym of the following: soil, dirty. Suburbs, outlying areas. Gapped, started. Crazy, strange. Flying, in flight. Precious, valuable. Miserable, unhappy. Impatient, angry. Contented, please. Embarrassed, welcome. Similar, different. The next we are going to see the antonyms. Different, similar. Calm, windy. Expensive, cheap. Stupid, clever. Precious, cheap. Interesting, uninteresting. Desert, ascent. Okay children, so till this you can note down in your assignment book. Balance we will see in the next class. Thank you.